What sound are we learning today? This is the letter C, and it makes the k sound. K. Can you say it with me? K. Cat. K, k, k is for cat. K, k, k is for cot. K is for castle. K is for clock. K is for camel. Listen carefully. Can you hear the k sound at the start of one of these words? Listen carefully. Balloons. Pasta. Cat. Which one was it? Which one started with the k sound? That's right. Cat starts with the k sound at the beginning of the word. Blending Bot is trying to say some words. K, a, n. He can sound out, but he needs help with blending. Let's help him. Can. K, a, p. Cup. K, a, t. Cat. K, a, p. Cap. K, o, g. Cog. Thank you for helping Blending Bot to say the words. In the next lesson, we'll be learning the E sound. And I look forward to seeing you then. Don't forget to like and subscribe.